Hi, this is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are starting our September Build a Journal challenge. If you do not know what the September Build a Journal challenge is, I will link the introduction video down below so you can join us this month to easily build a journal one day at a time. Okay, that's what this is. And today is September 1st. So today we're going to choose our cover. Now let's talk about that really quick because I told you in the introduction video, I would explain more every day about what we're doing. So for choosing your cover, you're going to have to pick a theme and pick how you want your cover, how you want your signature put in. Do you want to sew your signature in? Do you want to make a ring journal? Do you want to do a cinch bound or whatever binding system you may own and bind your books that way? You have to think about that and figure out what it is that you want to do when it comes to choosing your cover. Okay? Then, once you figure out your theme and how you want to make your journal, you're going to choose items to make that journal. Now, I have a poll going and right now I believe Sewn Journal is winning. So that to me means I need to choose something that I can sew a signature into. You can use a product box. You can use old packaging. Like a lot of times I make journals from Amazon packaging and just cover it with something. You can just use scrapbook paper and make your own spine. You can use 2 pieces of fabric and quilt it and make yourself a cover. I'm getting scratched by a dog. Ouch, that hurts. That sounded like really bad acting, didn't it? That was horrible. Ouch, that hurts. I'm sorry. Anyway, it does hurt. Sorry. Hold on, let me get a drink. Okay, that's better. I had a little tickle in my throat. I'm not gonna lie. This is like the 10th time I've been filming one of these videos and it's gotten screwed up every time. And I'm also going to tell you that I did have for day 2 make your cover until I realized that making your cover would go better at day 6. So I had to switch everything around, and the videos I filmed I had to delete and start over. So that's where we're at this morning. Okay, so if you're going to do a sewn in journal, use a quilted fabric or regular fabric, packaging, product boxes, whatever you choose that has a spine, scrapbook paper, anything like that. If you're going to do a ring journal or a spiral bound journal using your cinch or whatever binding system you may have, you're going to need something like thick scrapbook paper or chipboard or even the product box but with no spine, something like that. Because the poll so far, I'm filming early, so right now it's at Sewn Journal, Sewn Signature. I have, oh my god, can I reach it? It's on my bed. Can I reach it? It's on my bed. Yes, I have this product box that I found in my stash. As you all know, if you follow my channel, that I am pre-diabetic, so I can't even eat this anymore. This is old box that has been in my stash, but it has a spine. Okay, has a spine, so that's what I'm going to use. I will cut it down to size. Like all of this will get cut off. This will get cut off. It will get painted with gesso because I'm going to be using this fabric. And this fabric I got at Walmart on clearance, so it's from last year. I don't know if they may still have it at your Walmart. You know, every Walmart puts crap on clearance differently. But this is the fabric. I found it. I loved it. As you can see, my theme is fall. I am doing my journal. I will be using this for October. This is going to be my October journal, so you can see it in action after I make it. I thought that would be great. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well. You probably can't from there, but I can see through this easily. Can you? Yeah, you see that dark. Yeah, right there. You see it? You can see through it. So I'm going to have to gesso my box. And then I will glue this fabric on with fabric glue, and then most likely I will probably stitch around it. Now the inside of the box is plain brown. Okay, I never use this part. I always cut it off. So let's rip this open. So you can see I always use the full part of the spine, not the one that gets glued together. A lot of people use this one. I don't. I use this one. But it's plain brown inside. I may just keep it the plain brown. It's fall. It works. So that is my cover. Okay? So for today's homework, I would like it if you would sit down and think of your theme, and then think of what kind of journal you want to make. I do have journals made all three ways. I will link videos showing those journals down in the description box so you can see what it takes to make a ring journal, a spiral journal, and I don't think I have a sewn. I don't think I have a sewn one. I don't like sewn. That's not my favorite. It's really not. It's really not my favorite journal to make or to use. It's really not my favorite journal to use. I like making them. I don't like using them. I don't know why. I just like my stuff to lay more flat. Okay, that's what I like. I like my stuff to lay more flat. You can also, if you don't want to make a cover, you don't have to make a cover. You could buy something like this. This holds my ephemera, but it is, look at it, it's a mess. It is a 6-ring little binder. You can use something like this. You could buy your cover. I used, it's sitting right here just to show you. I used this for August. I bought off Temu. You can buy them. This is is this Mr. Pen? I have a Mr. Pen one of this, which was dirt cheap on Amazon. Great price. So you don't have to, my dog is growling at me. You don't have to make your cover if you don't want to. There's also that, okay? If you don't feel comfortable making a cover, if you hate making covers, buy yourself a cover. I'm not going to be mad at you for that, okay? I'm going to understand it. I'm going to completely understand buying a cover. I mean, I use pre-made ones all the time. It's not that big of a deal. If you decide that you want to use a little golden book or something like that, go for it. Use whatever you want for this cover. Okay? That's your homework for today. And then please use the hashtag. Ow, Sammy. That's not the hashtag, okay? I'm getting scratched. It is hashtag MP. Ow. Frick! That hurts! Ow. He's being nasty right now. MP Build a Journal 2023. So I can follow along and see what you're doing. You can post on TikTok. You can post on Instagram. You can post a YouTube short. You could post a full video on YouTube. Do whatever you want to do, but use that hashtag so I can follow you all around. Okay? Thanks for joining me today, and we will be back for day 2 where we're choosing our papers for our signature. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know if you know what kind of cover you're making for this challenge, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.